Here's a question I get all the time. How long does creatine take to actually work? Some people say you'll feel it in a few days. Others say it takes weeks. And then there are those who quit before it even starts working. The truth? Creatine is not magic, but it is scientifically powerful. And the timeline of how it transforms your body depends on how you take it, what you eat, and how you train. In the next 15 minutes, I'll break down exactly what happens inside your muscles, week by week, so you know when and how to expect results. Creatine is one of the most studied supplements in human performance. Over 500 peer-reviewed papers and decades of research. It's found naturally in meat, fish, and your own muscle cells. Think of it as your body's battery backup. During intense exercise, your body uses ATP, adenosine triphosphate, for energy. The problem? You can only store enough ATP for about 8 to 10 seconds of max effort. That's where creatine steps in. It donates a phosphate molecule to quickly regenerate ATP, allowing you to squeeze out that extra rep, that extra sprint, that extra second of power. And over time, those extra reps compound into real strength and size. There are two ways to take creatine, the loading phase and the maintenance phase. In the loading phase, 20 grams a day for 5 to 7 days, usually split into 4 smaller doses. This rapidly fills your muscle stores with creatine. Most people notice increased muscle fullness or performance within 7 to 10 days. The maintenance phase, 3 to 5 grams daily. It takes longer, around 3 to 4 weeks, for your muscles to reach the same saturation point. But you'll still get the same results, just slower and with fewer digestive side effects. Let's break it down week by week. Week 1. If you're loading, your muscles start absorbing creatine almost immediately. You might notice slight bloating or water retention. That's not fat. It's hydration inside your muscle cells. This cell volumization helps with recovery and can even trigger muscle growth signaling. Week 2-3. This is where strength changes become noticeable. Studies show that athletes can see a 5–15% increase in short-term power output during this stage. You might feel stronger, more explosive, or able to maintain form longer. Week 3-4. For maintenance users, this is when things really start clicking. Your muscles are fully saturated. Endurance improves, recovery speeds up, and your perceived fatigue drops. It's also when your brain benefits begin. Yes, creatine crosses the blood-brain barrier. Creatine isn't just for bodybuilders. Your brain uses creatine for energy too. Research in older adults and people with cognitive decline shows that creatine may enhance memory, focus, and resistance to fatigue. In a 2018 study published in Neuropsychology Review, creatine supplementation improved reaction time and working memory, particularly under stress or sleep deprivation. That's why many neuroscientists call creatine a nootropic with muscles. Here's how to make sure you're getting the most out of it. Checklist appears on screen. Take 3–5 g daily. Consistency matters more than timing. Eat hair with carbs or protein to enhance absorption. Drink enough water, at least 2.5 to 3 liters per day. Train with progressive overload, no training, hard, no gains. Sleep and recover well. That's when creatine works its magic. Creatine is not a miracle powder, it's an amplifier. It multiplies the work you're already doing, so the harder and smarter you train, the faster you'll feel its effects. So here's the real answer: if you load it, results in about 7 to 10 days. If you maintain it, results in 3 to 4 weeks. And for most people, the real transformation, strength, recovery, endurance, happens after 6 to 8 weeks of consistent training. Take it every day, even on rest days. Stay hydrated, keep lifting. And remember, creatine doesn't just build muscle, it builds momentum.